Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Steam region. Changing your Steam store region is only supported when you have actually moved to a different country or region. So in order to change a Steam store region, firstly open your Steam. And after that, what you need to do is go to your profile icon in the top right over here and you need to select this account details. And under this account details, here you'll find this update store country. You need to click onto this update store country here. So in order to update store and wallet country, you need to contact this team support. Simply click onto this team support here. And over here, in order to change team region, you need to select to this contact team support in the bottom again. And here you need to select for the country residence and you need to supply details about your request as well. If you want to attach a file, you can do that as well by clicking onto this attach a file and you can give a proper documents and select to this then and select the send. And that is it. This is how you can change the Steam region. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.